Okay, first step, getting boards. As you can see, a lot of boards come not level and warped. Like, look at this board. Yeah, we want that. So I found this board. It's really nice. It's laying totally flat, and I'll be able to work with it. So this is gonna be a table soon. Okay, so we've got the board. First off, I just want to say I don't recommend using this type of wood necessarily. I would use MDF or a much harder board, but I'm impatient. I just want this done. This table is simply for staging and selling of a house. So I'm going to cut it down to 5 feet, and then I'm going to do rock face edge on it, just a nice simple one, and sand and prime. So that's where we're at right now. Thorn, say hi. Hi. Done the rock edge, primed. Going to now put a layer of Behr, primer and paint in one, and a black. The texture in the paint is on purpose. I just do that. Gives it a little tooth. It also kind of breaks up. I don't know if you can see like the lines that are in the wood. It sort of breaks that up. Just a little trick to the eye. Oh, little touch up right there. Okay. The underneath of the table I will roll. Okay, and now we're going to get ready to pour the epoxy color coat. I just used Stonecoat regular epoxy. I started with a black epoxy base using 3 different pigments. I used a black mica powder, the Alumilite dye in black, and then I used Color Passion black as like a base cell. And those 3 pigments, when they mix together, give you shadow effects and a lot of effects you can't really see unless you're down in it looking at it. Also, the way my setup is for the camera in this particular place that I was doing this table, I couldn't do the entire 5 feet of table, so it was just this little section. And all I put down were Color Passion's aluminum and the silver from Stonecoat's mica. And both of those are powders. I personally love working with micas and powders. Put those down, and it's all kind of about manipulating them. I use a heat gun and an embossing gun to give you the different manipulation that you see. This can all be done on a countertop that you can't tilt. Then, after that, I added a little bit of holographic glitter and flake in there, just for that extra bling. And once that cured, 24 hours later, I came in, sanded, and I did this flood coat that you're looking at now. Don't mind the dog. And then after this, wait another 24 hours, I sanded it, and I used the matte ultimate top coat from Stonecoat, and it sort of gave it a leather-like appearance. Oh, you can see a shadow right there. Really cool of how those blacks mix. The depth that they give you is just amazing. And I ended up calling this Hollywood Black Marble. It's a very classic looking marble, but then I added this holographic flake in there. and it still shows through the matte top coat, which is awesome. I didn't know if it would, so that was a good test for me. And this table, as I said in the beginning, is basically just going to be a trash table. I really just needed a table in front of this wall that I did. That's why I did it. Don't mind the animals that you hear in the background. So here's just going to be a few videos, and this is it all finished, and then you'll see it up against the wall and kind of staged with a few different things, and that's it. Marble table from a pine board. So I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. I answer everybody's questions and emails as well. I'm Haven of Vamp on all social media platforms. Get a hold of me if you have any questions, and there will be some more videos, more detailed videos on this exact look coming up soon, and I will let everyone know about it. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.